Hello guys, welcome back to my channel Appopedia. I'm Priya. As I'm trying to learn Flow Builder from the Trailhead course, so as I covered 2 lectures on it, so I will not talk about that. So let's solve the queues for the create variable. That is the second model. So for this one, let's solve the queues question. First question is create a text variable to store a. So for text, this one is both the values okay, as we have a table as well. So text for text value, description another long term. So though I think so I can go with the D option. Okay, when in doubt you should configure a variable so that available for both and available not for the, and there is one option for that also if you have a confusion regarding the variables. Okay, let me go little up for the theory part. Okay, I think so we should go for the available for the both, because if we configure for the both part, then it will be available the field or variable for the entire flow builder, so that we can use in the other option as well. As we have something to be get done with that flow variable, then we can use both the option to be get available. Okay, so by default variable is stored on one variable and compatible with a selected data type. So I think so I will go with that option A. Let's check, finger cross. Oh, it's wrong, so I will not go with the output. It should be input. At least for input it should be go. Yeah, so that's it. Thanks for watching this video, and I hope this quiz answers will be helping out. Do subscribe to my channel. I will meet you in the next video. Bye bye.